Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn HDR on or off in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, navigate to the video tab and under graphics hit Display Calibration. In this menu you can find the HDR enabled option. As you can see, this can be not supported. This is depending on what type of monitor and graphics card you use. If it's supported, I recommend honestly turning it on. And after you make your choice, back out of the menu, close the main options menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.